5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Important to realize that what's being done here is not just it's not a natural only attribute. You're reaching literally past the natural into the supernatural realm. And
how can you tell me how much you miss me? When the last time I saw you, you didn't even kiss me. Well, that rich guy you've been seeing, he must have let you down. So welcome back, baby, to the poor side of town.
so that's Michael hidden under there. You can see the feet right there. We got back from Phoenix, got the part. So this is what we replaced right here. This whole assembly, the whole pump. Is I'd like to just give you a message really quickly called When He Was on the Cross. It's bad, good, ugly. He cares. And He provided a way to walk through it.
As far as you can see is mountaintops. It's like nothing you've ever seen before.
Well, the Cowboy Channel signed up with the Professional Rodeo Cowboys Association to be the official host of all the televised pro rodeos.
You had the dream year all lined up.
Oh, yeah.
And it's kind of all imploded on you. So talk about a little bit about that.
I'm just counting my blessings.
There you go.
Counting my blessings. There's always people hurting a lot more than me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bishop Michael Pitts. There he is.
There I am, and I'm so thrilled to be with you. I've got my glasses right here as well because we're not as young as we used to be, but so glad for you and Gale and all that you're doing. And hey, before we get talking too much, what about this this video of the old Mustang is just like going everywhere? Talking or thinking a bit about the importance of learning how to be still.
Yeah, this year's been a doozy, and having not been able to see our kids for 4 months, we're so grateful to get back with them. And we started off in Michigan, Lake Erie on Memorial Day, and every day, every weekend that we could since that point, we have been grateful to hang out with our amazing kids and our family. Because of COVID, all the RV parks were closed down, all the campgrounds were closed down. So for Memorial Day, we decided to bring all of our family together and this rooster and camp out together on our family property.
Okay, this is our new vehicle that we just purchased about a month ago. This is our Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. I'm so excited. We absolutely love our new vehicle. It's a 2018, so it's new to us, but it's not brand new.
would surely be me. And I thought I could be what I wanted to be. I thought that I could build on life's sinking sand, but I can't even walk without you holding my hand. Well, I can't even walk without you holding my hand. The mountain's too high and the valley's too wide. I'm down on my knees, and that's where I learn to stand. I can't even walk without you holding my hand.
You know what's bad about a video?
It doesn't do justice.
No, it doesn't do it justice, but also you can't get the smells. The smells here are phenomenal.
Yeah, so this might be one of the most beautiful, serene places I've ever been in my life. And it's just a great place to see wildlife.
You and me, meant to be. Great outdoors, forever.
This is the Snake River, and there's the Grand Teton. This is a major place for bears, so make sure you bring your spray. Actually, you can see that other people have been there, obviously, and they've put like rocks, like made little, I think some kind of a symbol down there with a bunch of rocks. Something, you know, put your stake in the ground. Been there, done that. I believe that the number one thing that the enemy does as a tactic from the enemy is that he keeps us in a distracted place. He keeps us focused on the wrong things.
And Jesus said to him, if you don't let me wash your feet, you'll have no part of me. And then Peter says, then wash me all over.
He just sat there silent, staring at his favorite coffee cup. I saw a storm